Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Subaru Forester with a dead key fob. First, understand that a dead key fob battery doesn't mean you're stranded. Your Subaru has a built-in backup system designed for this exact situation. We'll walk through the steps to get your vehicle running, ensuring you can reach your destination or a place to replace the battery. To begin, you'll need to access your vehicle. Most Subaru key fobs have a hidden physical key inside. Look for a small release button on the side or back of the fob, press it, and slide out the metal key blade. Use this traditional key to manually unlock the driver's side door. This step ensures you can get into your car even if the fob's remote functions are not working. Now, for the crucial step to start your engine. Once you're in the driver's seat, take your dead key fob and press it directly against the Start/Stop button on your dashboard. While holding the fob against the button, firmly press the Start/Stop button with your foot on the brake. This action allows the vehicle's immobilizer system to read the fob's internal chip, even without battery power. Congratulations, your Subaru should now be running. Your next priority should be replacing the key fob battery. Most Subaru fobs use a standard CR2032 coin cell battery, which is readily available. You can usually find these at electronics stores or even many grocery stores. Replacing it is a simple process, often just requiring a small screwdriver. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Be sure to check the description below for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.